So here I am in the bus, and I'm gonna show you a little bit about the project I have started. This is one of them. It's a fuse, 300 amperes, going into a switch box, and from the switch box it's going to be connected to this red and black here. This panel here is going away. It's 220 in, 230 in. So from these boxes here, not ready connected, but it's gonna be better design sooner or later. But 24 to 12 box closest to the wall there. And from there it's going into the panel, and I'm gonna have some switch from 12 to the TV, from 12 to the internet, and etc. And this wires goes, this red and black, goes under here and behind and under here, behind here, and under and back where the battery pack is gonna be. It's not clean, it's not steady here, but it is, as you can see, a lot of small things, equipment, connections have to make. Otherwise, when the batteries are put in later, there will be a Growatt inverter here with 24 volts in and 220 out, so I can use all of these contacts I have around for 220. I will not connect this to the battery of the bus directly, the starting battery, because I don't want it to empty that. So it's a lot of mess, but soon I can use the coffee machine and the microwave, etc. on 220. So that's a short update from this. It's always some work to be done, and the bus has quite big space. As you can see, I put out some new curtains also here to have it better. It's good to be standing inside when it's raining. Right now I have the diesel heater on, so it's blowing in the corner under the bed. Maybe you hear it. So here I am in all of this. I have a lot of small electricity things to take care of because of this. So this is a short update, at least, from the crazy man in Skotterud. But the bed here is soft and good mattress. Very nice to sleep in, I think. I'm gonna put away a little bit of things. So this is the space in basic. I have also some small things to do here. Change different, maybe I will buy a new porta potty. I'm not sure yet. I have said it before, but I'm not sure. I will just see if this is on. No, it's not on. It's 12 volt. That's not on. And this is on because it's 24 volts from directly from the battery. So there is some small things that has to be done. This light over here is 220. and so it's going to be better. And here it's outside. So that's so far from now, for now. Yes, I'm sitting here in the bus now, relaxing, having a cup of coffee, enjoying life, waiting for the diesel heater to heat up the bus, so it's gonna be warmer to do some small things, work. So that's what's up now. Still raining outside, but warm and cozy in the bus here. So that's the new thing here. So here is the basics. I have a camera for backing the bus, and all the equipment works. I have a holder for iPad there, so I have driving with the maps. I'm gonna fix it up better also, and clean up this mess. It's needs some water and a towel, and have some inside here. I have also made the change of the here. Let's see, it's a lot of. I have this converter here also. It goes from 24 to 12, so I have this on the stereo. And some equipment here and there. So it's also the machine, the bus itself has gone 391,000, but the engine is changed to a better and newer one. So the engine is from, I think, 89. I'm not sure. 86 or 89. I'm not sure, but it's 170 horsepower with turbo. So approximately that. It runs well, and it was kind of brand new when it was installed, so it hasn't gone so far. So it's very hot in here now. It's cold outside, but here inside we have 17.1. So I can turn off the heat because it's hot enough here. And you hear the fan is going down, maybe stopping. Yeah. So I have some small things to do inside, and take them day by day, so it's not I'm not overdoing it. So this old Mercedes Benz LP 1013 is made in 1982, rebuilt and changed some feathers inside, under, taken away something because it has to be physically changed by the car improvement system in Norway. So it's approved last year, and it's 7,495 kilos. So it's huge to have to drive with a special driver's license. In Norway it's C1, it's called. So it's done a lot of work here with I have gone crazy with the painter and everything like this, and redone and fixed, opened, made some holes here and there, and stretched some wires, so I can have a small studio here when I'm traveling. and the battery pack I'm expecting is going to be 560 amperes, I think, going into 24 volt to the Grobat, and so I can at least have a week, 14 days running this bus with electricity. I don't need to fill up so often. If I have no solar panel on the roof, but I'm gonna have it later. For now it's only so I can manage to stand free camping, let's say a day or two here and there, go fishing, go do things. So in the basics, it is to have a simpler life when you travel around. So with the diesel heater and the gas and propane LPG, and there I have make my own food, refrigerator, everything goes on that also. So easy life right now. So a few days ago I changed the input for the electric wire. It goes into the whole bus and will go to the charger for Grobat. And there is some small things I have to do outside and here and there, but it doesn't take so long time. So it's a huge machine, big one, but it's new tires, everything is perfectly done, approved by the car inspections and everything like this. It's taken care of. And here is the weather also in Skotterud today. Right now it's no rain, absolutely no rain, but in a few hours it will pour down. So you have some birds up here watching me. So bye from me here in Skotterud.